So here's a carving that I did fairly quick. It's a shallow, actually, I spent a lot of time sanding this piece. It's a very shallow carving. What I was trying to do. Why is it shallow, Jordy? You ask. Slow down, Jordy. Okay, slow down, Jordy. Start over. Why is it a shallow, you ask? Shallow carving, Jordy, you ask. And I say, well, it's a shallow carving because I was trying to get the colors of the sapwood in this wood to incorporate into the wood itself. And when I put a finish on it, the colors would really pop. Well, for this one, the colors really didn't work for me in this piece. So I just want this video to be an example to everybody out there. If you have the depth in the piece, which I got lots of depth, this is Russian olive wood, by the way. If you have lots of depth, meaning like right here, I got lots of depth to carve deeper in this piece. If you don't like this when you first do it, don't be afraid to carve deeper and try and make your piece better. And I'm going to do that one. I'm not going to film carving, but I'm going to carve. First of all, I don't like these little fins. They're just too square looking. So when I carve this deeper all around this koi fish, I'm going to carve about that much deeper to get this koi fish to really pop. I can carve these fins down lower, and then I can make them wider too, more flowing. Shauna, she's a carver. She's doing a real great job on it. She loves carving the koi fish. She does a fantastic job. There's lots of movement and stuff like that. So shout out to Shauna. Anyways, and then this back tail, I think it's pretty good. It could be a little bit bigger, but to give it shadows, I'm going to carve real deep down here and then undercut that fin so it looks like that fin's popped right off the wood. Now, the deeper that you carve down here and remove the wood all here, I'm not paying attention to these colors anymore. I can paint this piece if I want to, but you can even make the deeper that I carve back here, I can even make this fin curved. Give it so it's just not so flat, right? Give it some movement in that fin. It just depends how much carving you want to do. Now I'm going to carve this all. I'm going to put my dust mask on, my headphones on, and I'm going to show you guys. If you don't, like I repeat, don't ever give up on your pieces. If you got lots of depth there, carve deeper. I know I repeat. Well, then carve deeper. Look at all the work you've already done on this. Keep going. But another fact, I can look at this piece of man, I'm like, man, I spent so much time sanding all this thing, trying to make it perfect. I probably spent like, I don't know, a good hour sanding this thing. Well, your loss, my loss. Too bad. I sanded it. It's not what I wanted it to be. You got to freaking carve deeper, my friends. So it's been a few days since I've been able to show you guys the koi fish. But now you can see, like, you can see how deep I carved underneath these fins to get shadows. Carve this tail down, give it some swoosh. I'm going to be honest, I haven't sanded it yet. You got to carve underneath the fins here too and all the way around. Carve under there, under here. Undercut, so important. I didn't undercut the fish itself because we'll just make it look like the water's coming off of it. So, I think this is a lot better. And also, I gave the edge some curves in it too, so it's not so square. Straight lines, but, it looks a lot better now. Like I said, I haven't sanded it. You could carve fish scales into this. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to give it a water test right now. I'll sand it another day when I have some time, but you guys can see how much better it looks. There, now we're talking. Now you got some depth in there, right? Now I think it's beautiful. Actually, you could probably give it some little bit more curve in here, but good enough. So that's it for this one, everybody. This is showing you guys to, carve deeper. Could even go like this. Carve deeper, everybody, and you'll get better product on the certain pieces if you need to carve deeper. Carving Fusion. Over and out.